Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Go home screaming ooh la la, yeah. Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la. Yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Got 'em all screaming ooh la la. Yeah, I don't want no love. You know me, I only think about funds. Me, I'm tryna do my own thing on my ones. I'm sorry, darling, I don't want no hugs. Yeah. Had a couple galleys try to hold me down, but then you got some that can take my.
It's mad how I got so hurt. It's mad how you gave me wrong.
Tell me your tale, do you see the road? I'm out to my soul, tell me the size. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my picture perfect, do I look fried? All of that green and yellow that drip from your eyes is telling. Tell your demise, I'm with to my side. To push back the ceiling and push back the feelings I had to the side. I replay them nights and right by my side, all I see is the sea of people that ride me. If they just knew what Scotty would do to jump out the stage and say I'm a child. If things are created became the most weighted, I gotta find balance and keep me a smile. Yeah. That shit wild, instead I'm a hero. I took it from zero to flame. You saying I read it for miles. The shit wasn't luck, they got me fucked up. I put you on bus and take you around. Put a couple of guys inside of the school. I gave them the tools to get it off the ground. They say they're the ones when they make their ears can't look in the mirror. That shit wild. I stand on the stage, I give them the rage. I'm turning it down, can't take it, can't foul. We do in the streets, we do it for keys, we do it for rights. I'm 52 weeks, this shit ain't for pleasure. I'm coming to tweak, this shit is forever. Infinity, no but we write it and wrap it around. I take me a beat and I turn to a beast. Bought the crib on the hill, made it harder to reach. Bought a couple more wheels cause I needed more speed. Bought a couple more watches, I needed more time to buy the condo. It was smarter to lease and I bought some more ice cause I bought it and he made a cast on my dish. So she never go cheat if I gave you a day of my life or a day in my eyes. Don't blink.